Hello my beautiful babes, what is up? It's Brandi. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here, and if you're new, welcome. For today's video, if you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to the shore for the day, and I haven't been there in about maybe a year and a half, maybe even 2. I honestly can't remember, but I am so stinking excited. It's just my mom and I, just gonna be a mother-daughter day. What the heck is that? Oh, it's a van. I'm like, what is that noise? Anyway, if you guys are interested and want to come along with us, then you should definitely keep on watching. A beach store. Look at all the umbrellas. Oh, they look so cool. They probably have so much crap. It's like a horror movie.
Oh God! I would. They don't have roaches.
Mogas. Oh, that's amazing. Mogas. I got it. Mogas. What do we need? Mogas.
We need Mogas, man.
Oh, that's amazing. I wish that was everywhere.
Gorgeous.
With the beautiful FedEx in the way. Oh, look at the water glistening. Where it says do not enter. Shut up.
You take me with everything.
Because it's funny.
Where is it? Where'd it go? Where is it?
It went somewhere on the
It's on the dashboard?
It went somewhere on the dashboard.
It's gone then. Didn't look like no fly to me.
Uh-oh.
Man! You crazy? My straw in? Well, how am I
don't even know where your straw is.
He gave you 2 right there.
Oh.
I didn't know.
What are you doing with all the garbage?
I'm leaving it in the car somewhere.
No, yeah, you always do.
There's little traces of it for you to find later on.
You didn't get it for me. How am I supposed to do it when I'm driving?
Pick it up. I got the ocean in my nose right now.
No, I can't do it that way. It's gonna f***ing headache. I got one with the damn ice cream. I get them from everything. I got one with the ice cream. I didn't want to tell you. I got it bad too. Wait a minute.
There's Miss Brownie. Hello, little girl. Look how gorgeous you are.
Happy plum, happy plum. Happy plum.
Miss Brownie, what are you doing out? Get back in there. It's rush hour traffic. Come on. I walk you back.
Look at that little coolie. Look at that little coolie of yours.
Hello.
And rub the face. Yeah. What a beautiful girl. Yay. I missed you guys.
Alright, you guys. So it is the next day. You're so stinking beautiful. I love you. And then the little handsome man over here laying on some plastic. So silly. Anyway, it was so much fun spending the day with my mom. We definitely plan to go a couple more times before, I almost said before the summer is over. No, it's basically over. But what I meant to say is we're gonna keep on going down the shore until we can't, because there is still some nice weather ahead of us. And now that it's after Labor Day, the beach is free. That also means no lifeguards, so I can't really go into the ocean like that, but for a quick dip I will. Anything longer than a quick dip? Absolutely not. I do not have a death wish. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. So yeah, you guys, that is basically it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, as well as hang the notification bell. I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.